Hello everyone, welcome to ABC Trainings. First of all, thank you for joining this webinar on artificial intelligence technology, applications, and future scope in 2026. Today, we are living in a world where machines can talk, write, see, analyze data, and even make decisions. From voice assistants on our phones to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, artificial intelligence is already part of our daily lives. So, let's see. First, we will see agenda, which includes introduction to AI, history of AI, types and branches of AI. Then we will see how AI works, then applications of AI, scope and career opportunities and advantages and challenges. And last, we will see conclusion. Okay, so now let us understand what artificial intelligence really means. Artificial intelligence or AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. In simple words, AI enables machines or computer systems to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. So, normally humans use intelligence to learn from experience, analyze situations, then solve problems, understand language, make decisions. So AI tries to give these abilities to machine, but how does it do that? So AI uses data, algorithms, and mathematical models to train systems so they can identify patterns and make intelligent decisions without being explicitly programmed for every single task. So what does simulation of human intelligence means? So when we say simulation of human intelligence, it means machines are not actually thinking like humans, but they are designed to behave in ways that appear intelligent. For example, when your phone unlock using face recognition, that's AI. Then when Google suggests search results, that's AI. Then when Netflix recommends AI, the system analyzes patterns from millions of data points and gives intelligent outputs. So first we will see learn from data. So AI system learn from data just like humans learn from experience. AI learns from examples. For instance, if we show thousands of images of cats and dogs to a computer, it learns the patterns, shape of ears, size, features, and later it can identify whether a new image is a cat or dog. This learning process is called machine learning. The more quality data the system receives, the more accurate it becomes. Then second one, make decisions. AI systems can make decisions based on learned patterns. For example, in banking, AI system decide whether a transaction is fraud or not. In e-commerce, AI decide which product to recommend. Then in healthcare, AI helps doctors decide possible disease based on symptoms. These decisions are based on probability and data analysis, not guessing. Then third one is recognize patterns. So patterns recognition is one of the most powerful abilities of AI. AI can detect patterns in images, text, numbers, audio. For example, face recognition systems detect facial patterns. Then email spam filters detect spam patterns. Stock prediction models detect financial patterns. Humans may not see complex patterns in large datasets, but AI can. Then fourth is understand language. AI can understand and generate human language. This field is called natural language processing or NLP. AI systems can translate languages, answer questions, summarize documents, then detect emotions in text. For example, tools like ChatGPT use NLP to understand your questions and generate responses. Then AI does not understand language like humans, but it analyzes patterns in context. Then fifth one is Solve problems. AI systems are designed to solve complex problems. AI systems are designed to solve complex problems efficiently. For example, route optimization in disease prediction in healthcare, risk analysis in finance, then automation in industries. So, this is all about the artificial intelligence. Now, next is history of AI. Now, let us understand the history of artificial intelligence. AI did not suddenly appear in 2023. It comes evolved over more than 70 years. Let's go step by step. First, 1950, Alan Turing introduced AI concept. So in 1950, a British mathematician named Alan Turing introduced a revolutionary idea. He asked a simple but powerful question: can machines think? He proposed something called the Turing test, which was designed to check whether a machine can imitate human intelligence in conversation. This idea became the foundation of artificial intelligence. At that time, computers were very basic, but the vision of intelligent machines had already started. Then next, in 1956, AI term officially introduced. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced at the Dartmouth Conference in the United States. This conference is considered the birth of AI as a field of study. Researchers believed that human intelligence could be described so precisely that a machine could stimulate it. This was the beginning of AI research in universities and laboratories. Then in 1997, Deep Blue defected chess champion. One of the biggest milestones happened in 1997. A computer called Deep Blue, developed by IBM, defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a historic moment. For the first time, a machine defeated a world champion in a chess, a game that requires strategy and intelligence. This proved that machines could outperform humans in specific tasks. Then in 1910 to 2020, rise of machine learning and deep learning. Between 2010 and 2020, AI experienced massive growth. This happened because of three major reasons. First, availability of large data, then powerful computers and GPUs, then advanced algorithms. Machine learning and deep learning became very popular. Neural networks were used for image recognition, speech recognition, recommendation systems, and self driving technology. During this period, AI moved from research lab to real world applications. Then in 2023 to 26, generative AI resolution. The most recent transformation happened between 2023 and 2026. This period is known as the generative AI revolution. AI systems started creating text, images, code, music, videos. Tools like ChatGPT became widely used. So, generative AI changed how businesses operate, how students learn, and how developers build software. This period made AI mainstream. So AI started as a theoretical idea in 1950 and expanded rapidly with machine learning after 2010 and transformed the world through generative AI after 2023. So artificial intelligence has evolved from the concept to powerful global technology shaping 26 and beyond. Now let us understand why artificial intelligence is so important today. AI is not just trending technology, it has become a necessity for modern business and industries. There are five major reasons why AI is important in today's world. So, first is automation and repetitive tasks. One of the biggest advantages of AI is automation. Many tasks in companies are repetitive and time consuming, such as data entry, answering customer queries, processing invoices, or monitoring systems. AI systems can automate these tasks without human intervention. For example, chatbots handle customer support 24/7, then automated systems process thousands of transactions in seconds. This reduces workload and allows employees to focus on more creative and static work. Then second one is faster data processing. In today's digital world, companies generate massive amounts of data every second. Humans cannot manually analyze millions of records efficiently. AI can process and analyze huge volume of data in seconds. For example, banks analyze transactions in real time. E-commerce platforms analyze user behavior instantly. Then healthcare systems process medical reports quickly. This speed gives companies a strong competitive advantage. Then third one is improved decision making. So AI improves decision making by analyzing patterns and predicting outcomes instead of guessing. Companies can use data driven insights. For example, banks detect fraud using AI, business forecast sales, hospitals predict possible disease. AI reduces human errors and provides more accurate data backed decisions. Then, fourth one is business efficiency. AI increases overall business efficiency. It optimizes processes, reduces operational costs, and improves productivity. AI recommendation systems increase sales, maintenance reduces equipment failure. Company, Companies that use AI operate smarter and more efficiently. Then fifth one is innovation across industries. AI is a driving innovation in every industry. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosis. In education, AI personalizes learning. In finance, AI manages risk and fraud detection. And in transportation, AI powers smart systems. So AI is not just improving existing systems, it is creating entirely new possibilities. That is why AI is considered the backbone of digital transformation in 2026. Now let us understand the different types of artificial intelligence. AI is generally classified into three main types based on its capability. So first, narrow AI, weak AI. The first and most common type is narrow AI, also known as a weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task. It cannot think beyond its programmed function. For example, voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. These systems can answer questions, set reminders, or control devices, but they cannot think independently like humans. Another example is recommendation systems. Platforms like Netflix and Amazon use AI to recommend movies or products based on your behavior. Narrow AI is everywhere today in chatbots, face recognition, fraud detection, and search engines. It is powerful but limited to specific tasks. Then second one is general AI, future goal. The second type is a general AI. General AI refers to a machine that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It would have the ability to reason, think logically, then learn different skills, then adapt to new situations. So currently, general AI does not fully exist. Researchers and organizations like OpenAI are working toward developing more advanced AI systems. But true human level intelligence in machines is still a future goal. Then third is a super AI. The third type is a super AI. Super AI is a theoretical concept where machines would become more intelligent than humans. It would not only perform tasks better than humans but also think faster, make better decisions, possibly improve itself. This concept is mostly discussed in research and science fiction. Now, now that we understand the types of AI, let's explore the major branches of artificial intelligence. AI is a broad field and it includes several important subfields that focus on different capabilities. First one is machine learning, ML. The first and most important branch is machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing fixed rules, we train models using data and the systems learns patterns automatically. For example, spam email detection, fraud detection in banks, then product recommendation. So machine learning is the foundation of most modern AI systems. Then second one is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. Deep learning is especially powerful in handling complex data such as images, speech, videos. For example, face recognition, voice assistance, self-driving cars. So deep learning requires large amount of data and high computing power. And third one is natural language processing, NLP. The third branch is a natural language processing or NLP helps machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. It allows AI systems to translate language, answer questions, summarize text, and perform sentiment analysis. For example, tools like ChatGPT use NLP to understand user queries and generate responses. So NLP is a widely used in virtual assistants. Then fourth one is computer vision. Computer vision enables machines to see and interpret visual information. It allows computers to analyze images and videos just like humans. Applications include face detection, image analysis, surveillance systems. So, for example, facial recognition system is a smartphones use computer vision. Then fourth one is a computer vision. Computer vision enables machine to see and interpret visual information. It allows computers to analyze images and video just like humans. Applications include face detection, object detection analysis, surveillance systems. For example, facial recognition systems in smartphones use computer vision. Then fifth one is robotics. Robotics combines AI with mechanical systems. It involves building intelligent machines, includes industrial robots in factories, warehouse automation, surgical robots, and delivery robots. Robotics uses AI for decision making and automation. Then sixth one is expert systems. Expert systems are AI programs designed to simulate the decision making ability of a human expert. They use rules and knowledge base to solve complex problems. For example, medical diagnosis systems, legal advisory systems, technical troubleshooting tools. So, expert systems were among the earliest successful AI applications. Now that we understand what AI is, let us see how artificial intelligence actually works behind the scenes. AI does not work magically, it follows a structured process. There are five major steps in building an AI system. So, first, step one is data collection. The first and most important step is a data collection. AI system learn from data. Without data, AI cannot function. So, data can be images, text, audio, videos, numbers, user behavior. For example, if we want to build a face recognition system, we need thousands of face images. If we want to build a spam detection system, we need thousands of emails. The quality and quantity of data directly affect the performance of the AI system. Then second step is data cleaning and processing. Once data is collected, it is usually messy. It may contain missing values, duplicate entities, errors, and irrelevant information. So we clean and process the data. This step is very important because garbage in, garbage out. If the data is poor, the AI model will give poor result. We also convert data into a format that machines can understand. Then third one is model training. After cleaning the data, we move to model training. In this step, we choose an algorithm. We feed the data into the model. The model learns patterns. For example, in image classification, the model learns features like edges, shapes, and textures. In fraud detection, the models learns patterns and suspicious transactions. Training is where the AI system actually learns from data. Then step 4, testing and evolution. Once the model is trained, we cannot directly use it. We must test it. In this step, we check accuracy, we measure performance, then we identify errors. We use separate test data that the model has never seen before. If we improve the model by tuning parameters, this ensures the system is reliable and accurate. Then step 5, deployment. Finally, after testing, the model is deployed. Deployment means integrating the AI model into real world applications. For example, a chatbot deployed on a website, a recommendation engine used in an app, a fraud detection system in a bank. So once deployed, the system continues to monitor performance and may be retried when new data. This is how AI becomes part of real business systems. Now let us move to one of the most important branches of artificial intelligence, which is machine learning. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing rules manually, we give data to the system and it learns patterns on its own. This is what makes machine learning powerful and widely used in real world applications. So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machine to learn from historical performance over time. For example, show a model thousands of emails labeled as spam or a not spam. It learns to detect spam automatically. The more quality data it gets, the better it performs. Types of machine learning. There are three major types of machine learning. First, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and third one is a reinforcement learning. Let us understand each one in simple terms. So first one is supervised learning. Supervised learning is the most commonly used type of machine learning. In this approach, the model learns from labeled data. That means we already know the correct answer. For example, if we want to predict house prices, we provide house size, location, number of rooms, and the actual price. The model learns the relationship between input and output. Then common examples like email spam detection, loan approval prediction, medical diagnosis, sales forecasting. In simple words, supervised learning is a learning with a teacher. Then second one is a unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. Here the system does not know the correct answer. It tries to find patterns and grouping on its own. For example, customers segmentation in marketing. We give customer purchase data and the system groups customers into different categories based on behavior. Common examples like customer segmentation, fraud detection, market basket analysis, pattern detection. In simple words, unsupervised learning, which is learning without a teacher. Then third one is a reinforcement. Humans learn through rewards and penalties. The system learns by interacting with an environment. It takes action, gets feedback in the form of rewards or punishments, and improves its decision over time. For example, self driving cars, game playing AI, robotics, trading systems. If the action is correct, reward. If the action is wrong, penalty. Over time, the system learns the best strategy. In simple words, reinforcement learning means learning by a trial and error. Then, next is a deep learning. Now, let us move to one of the most powerful branches of artificial intelligence, which is deep learning. Deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning. It is based on neural networks and is inspired by the way the. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to learn from large amounts of data. Just like the human brain has billions of neural networks connected to each other, deep learning models have artificial neurons connected in layers. These layers help the system learn complex patterns automatically. Then why is it called deep? It is called deep because the neural network contains multiple layers. Input layer, input layer, hidden layers, output layers. The more hidden layers it has, the deeper the network becomes. Each layer extracts more advanced features from the data. How deep learning works? Let me explain with an example of image recognition. Suppose we want to detect whether an image contains a cat. First layer detects edge lines, then second layer detects shape, and third layer detects patterns like eyes and ears. Final layer decides yes, this is a cat. So deep learning automatically learns features without manual programming. So deep learning is based on neural networks, is inspired by the human brain, handles complex and large scale tasks, then requires large amount of data, needs high computing power like GPUs. So that is why deep learning became powerful after cloud computing and GPU became widely available. So where is deep learning used? Deep learning is widely used in image recognition, face recognition, and medical image analysis. Then speech recognition, voice assistance, and speech to text system. Then natural language processing, chatbots, and language translation. Then autonomous vehicles, which includes object detection and lane detection. Then recommendation systems like Netflix and YouTube. Deep learning power most modern AI systems today. Then natural language processing. Now let us move to another very powerful branch of artificial intelligence, natural language processing, commonly called NLP. Natural language processing is the technology to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. In simple words, NLP helps computers communicate with humans in natural language like English, Hindi, or any other language. What is NLP? NLP is a branch of AI that combines computer science, linguistics, machine learning, deep learning. Its goal is to make machines understand text and speech just like humans do. Why is NLP important? Every day we generate huge amounts of text data, emails, social media posts, customer reviews, chat messages, voice commands. So NLP helps businesses analyze and understand this data automatically. So now explain now we will see text class for example text classification means category text into predefined groups. For example, spam or not spam emails, positive or negative reviews, the new classifications like sports, politics, and technology. Companies who use text classification for email filtering, customer feedback analysis, document organization. It helps automate content analysis at scale. Then chatbots. One of the most common application of NLP is chatbots. Chatbots can understand user queries, respond intelligently, provide 24/7 customer support, will be delivered tomorrow. Modern chatbots use advanced NLP and deep learning models to generate human-like responses. So many companies now use AI chat systems to reduce support costs and improve customer experience. Then a sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is used to understand emotions in text. It defines whether the text expresses positive sentiment, negative sentiment, or neutral sentiment. So business use sentiment analysis to analyze customer feedback, monitor brand reputation, improve products and services. It helps companies understand public opinion instantly. Then language translation. NLP also power language translation systems. It converts text from one language to another automatically. For example, English to Hindi, English to Spanish. So modern systems use deep learning model to provide accurate and context-aware translations. This technology helps break language barriers globally. It works. So step 1 is text input. Then step 2, text processing, removing unnecessary words. Then step 3, converting text into numerical form. Then step 4, applying machine learning or deep learning models. And step 5, generating output. So behind the scenes patterns in a language. Behind the scenes patterns in a language. So next is computer vision. Now let us move to another powerful branch, which is computer vision. Computer vision enables machines to see and understand visual information like images and videos. So, just like humans use their eyes and brain to interpret the world, computer vision allows computers to analyze and understand visual data. So, what is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of AI that trains computers to interpret images, analyze videos, and recognize objects and identify patterns. It uses machine learning and deep learning models, especially convolutional neural networks (CNNs) to process visual data. So, application of computer vision. So, image recognition means identifying what is present in an image. For example, if you show a picture of a dog, the system can correctly identify it as a dog. Sorry. It can recognize animals, vehicles, products, people, landmarks. So, images recognition is used in social media tagging, photo organization, e-commerce product identification, and security system. So, second one is sorry, face detection. Face detection identifies whether a human face is present in an image or video. Then object detection. Object detection goes on a step further than image recognition. It not only identifies objects but also locates them in the image. Then medical image analysis. One of the most impactful applications of computer vision is healthcare. Eye systems can analyze X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, ultrasound images. They help doctors to detect tumors, fractures, diseases, abnormalities. So AI assists doctors in faster and more accurate diagnosis, improving patient outcomes. So behind the scenes, neural networks analyze pixel and all about the computer visions. So applications of AI. Now that we understand how AI works and its major branches, let us explore where IT is used in the real world. So AI is a no longer futuristic concept, it is transforming industries across the globe. So let us look at how AI is applied in a different sectors. So first one is AI in healthcare. Healthcare is one of the most impactful areas where AI is making a huge difference. AI is used for disease diagnosis, medical image analysis like X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, drug discovery, then predictive analytics, virtual health assistance. For example, AI systems can detect cancer from medical images at an early stage. Hospitals use AI to predict patients' risk and recommend treatments. AI-powered robots assist in surgeries for high precision. During pandemics, AI helps in tracking disease spread and vaccine research. AI improves accuracy, reduces human error, and saves lives. Then second one is the AI in education. In education, AI is transforming how students learn and teachers teach. AI is used for personalized learning platforms, intelligent tutorial systems, automated grading, student performance analysis. For example, AI systems analyze student performance and recommended customized study plans. Online learning platforms use AI to suggest courses. AI chatbots helps answer student queries 24/7. This makes education more accessible, flexible, and personalized. Then third one is AI in business. In business, AI improves efficiency, productivity, and decision making. AI is used for customer behavior analysis, sales, sales forecasting, inventory management, chatbots for customer support. Business use AI dashboards for data-driven decision making. AI reduces operational costs and increases profit margins. So, AI in banking and finance. AI plays a critical role in the financial industry. It is used for fraud detection, credit scoring, risk assessment, algorithm trading, and customer service chatbots. For example, AI systems monitor millions of transactions in real time to detect fraud. Banks use AI to access loan eligibility. AI trending systems analyze market trends faster than humans. This increases security. This increases security, reduces fraud, and improves financial decision. Then next is AI in manufacturing. So in manufacturing, AI supports automation and smart production systems. AI is used for predictive maintenance, quality inspection, robotics, automation, and supply chain optimization. For example, AI predicts machine failures before they happen. Robots powered by AI perform repetitive tasks with high precision. Factories use AI based quality control systems to detect product defects. This improves efficiency and reduces downtime. Then next is AI in transportation. AI is a transporting and transportation industry. So it is used in self-driving vehicles, traffic predictions, route optimization, fleet management. For example, autonomous cars use AI for object detection and decision making. Navigation apps use AI to suggest the fastest routes. AI improves road safety and reduces traffic congestion. Then seventh one is AI in entertainment. AI is widely used in entertainment and media. AI powers recommendation systems, content creation, video editing, game development. For example, recommend movies based on your viewing history. AI generates music, scripts, and visual effects. In gaming, AI creates intelligent components. AI enhances user experience and personalization. Now let us talk about one of the most revolutionary advancements in artificial intelligence, which is generative AI. Unlike traditional AI systems that analyze or classify data, generative AI can actually create new content. Yes, AI can now generate. text, images, code, videos, music. This is why generative AI is considered the biggest AI revolution between 2023 to 26. So, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that learns patterns from existing data and then generates new original content based on those patterns. It does not copy and paste. It understands structure, style, and patterns and then creates something new. So, how generative AI works? So, step one, the AI model is trained on massive amounts of data. Then, step two, it learns patterns, language, structure, design, style, and relationships. Then, step three, when a user gives a prompt, the AI generates new content based on what it has learned. Then, most generative AI systems use advanced deep learning models like transformers. So, what can generative AI create? So, text generation. Generative AI can create human like text. It can write articles, generate emails, create reports, answer questions, summarize documents. Tools like OpenAI, ChatGPT generate conversational responses and detailed explanation. Businesses use text generation for customer support, content marketing, documentation, and knowledge assistance. The second one is image generation. Generative AI can also create image. For example, if you type a futuristic city at sunset, AI can generate a brand new image based on that description. Design, advertising, game design, social media content creation. It reduces design time and boosts creativity. Then code generation. Generative AI can generate programming code. Developers can describe what they want and AI can write. Python scripts, Java programs, SQL queries, website code. This increases developers' productivity and reduces development time. AI is now becoming a coding assistant for software engineers. Then video generation. AI can generate videos from text prompts or images. It can create marketing videos, educational explainers, animated content. Video creation that once took days can now be done in minutes. This is transforming digital media production. Then fifth one is music generation. So generative AI can even compose music. It can create background music, movie soundtracks, instrumental tracks. AI understand rhythm, patterns, and musical structure to generate original compositions. Why generative AI is important? So generative AI is important because it increases productivity, it enhances creativity, it reduces cost, it automates content creation, it supports businesses at scale. So companies across industries are integrating generative AI into their workflows. So this is all about the generative AI. Then advantages of AI. Now that we have understand how AI works and where it is applied, let us discuss the major advantages of artificial intelligence. So reduces human error. One of the biggest advantage of AI is that it reduces human error. Human can make mistakes due to fatigue, stress, lack of attention, limited knowledge. AI systems, when properly trained, perform tasks with high accuracy and consistency. Then second one is a works 24/7. Unlike humans, AI systems do not need rest. They can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Then handles a big data. In today's digital world, companies generate massive amounts of data. Humans cannot analyze millions of records quickly. AI can process huge data sets, identify patterns, detect anomalies, generate new insights in seconds. Then faster decision making. AI can analyze data and make decisions much faster than humans. It evolves multiple factors instantly, then improves productivity. AI automates repetitive and time consuming tasks. So, this allows employees to focus on creative work, strategic planning, problem solving, and innovation. Then, this is the advantages of AI. So, now let us talk about the most exciting part, the future scope of artificial intelligence. So AI is not just a trend, it is a becoming the foundation of the next digital era. From startups to global enterprises, AI adoption is accelerating rapidly. Let us explore how AI will shape the future. So AI in every industry. In the future, AI will not be limited to technology companies. AI will become a part of every industry. Healthcare you will use AI for predictive diagnosis and personalized treatment. Education will use AI for intelligent tutoring systems. Agriculture will use AI for crop monitoring and yield prediction. Retail will use AI for customer personalization. Manufacturing will use AI. So, just like the internet became essential for every business, AI will become a basic requirement for every organization. Then, second one is a will play a major role in building smart cities. Smart cities will use AI for traffic management, waste management, energy optimization, public safety, smart systems. In AI human collaboration. In the future, AI will not replace humans completely. Instead, we will see strong AI human collaboration. AI will handle repetitive and analytical tasks while humans focus on creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. For example, doctors will use AI to assist diagnosis. Engineers will use AI coding assistance. Designers will use AI to creative ideas. So AI will act as a powerful assistant, not a replacement. Then fourth one is automation growth. Automation will increase significantly in the coming years. Industries will automate manufacturing processes, logistic operations, then customer supports, financial analysis. So robots and AI systems will perform complex tasks with high precision. Then fifth one is a global AI market expansion. The global AI market expands expanding rapidly. Companies worldwide are investing billions in AI research and development. New jobs roles are emerging such as AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI researcher, and AI product manager. So career opportunities in AI. Now let us discuss one of the most important questions student and professional have. What are the career opportunities in artificial intelligence? So AI is one of the fastest growing career domains globally. Companies across industries are hiring AI professionals to build intelligent systems. So for AI engineer, an AI engineer designs and develops intelligent systems that simulate human intelligence. Then next one is machine learning engineer. A machine learning engineer focuses specially on designing and implementing machine learning models. Data scientist. A data scientist analyzes large data sets to extract meaningful insights. They use AI and machine learning technology to solve business problems. So skills required for data scientists which are Python or R, statistics, data visualization tools, SQL and machine learning basics. Then fourth one is the NLP engineer, natural language processing engineer. An NLP engineer specializes in natural language processing. They build systems that understand and generate human language. Their work includes chatbot development, sentiment analysis systems, language translation, and text classification system. Then fifth one, engineer. A computer vision engineer works with image and video data. They develop systems that can analyze and understand information. So, AI is not just about using tools, it requires strong technical foundation. So, these are the career opportunities in AI. So, that now that we understand career opportunities in AI, the next important question is what skills are required to build successful career in artificial intelligence. So AI is not just about using tools, it requires a strong technical foundation. Let us look at the core skills. So first one is Python programming. The first and most important skill is Python programming. Then second one is machine learning. The second important skill is machine learning. You must understand supervised learning, unsupervised learning, these things. Then third one is deep learning. Deep learning is essential for advanced AI application, then statistics and mathematics, then data structures and algorithms. Strong knowledge of data structures and algorithms is also important. Then APIs and deployments. So building a model is not enough. You must also know how to deploy in real world applications. So these are the skills required for AI career. So now as we come to the end, let us quickly reflect. Artificial intelligence is a not just technology trend, it is a transforming the world. So from healthcare and education manufacturing